That nervous-looking bronze medal finish by Jamaican sprinter Johan Blake in the men's 100-meter final at the Commonwealth Games in Australia has ignited discussions again as to the status of Jamaican men sprinting and the status of Johan Blake himself as an elite sprinter. I'm big and serious. A long time I want to say this. Johan Blake should go back to being the beast. That beast-like attitude and mentality on the track was what made Johan Blake the champion he is. For sure, I respect his right to his own religious and spiritual space, but not no wrong with a spiritual or a religious beast. It is a conspicuous coincidence that from the day Blake shed his beast demeanor on the track, he is not the same sprinter. And we are also cognizant of the effects of that serious injury on his confidence. But again, having returned with some reasonable performances since that injury, I think that the mental aggression that used to fuel his physical explosion has gone from his sprinting. Johan Blake built his success as the second fastest man ever on a certain uncompromising confidence that manifested itself in Blake as the beast. I think it is hard for a sprinter to make a 360-degree turn in personality without it affecting his execution. That humble servant approach, me not think it work with Johan Blake and it don't work with sprinting. The sport needs the beast. Jamaica sprinting needs the beast. And of course, he can still be the blessed one and the beast at the same time. I mean, just call yourself the blessed beast. Yeah.